Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off end-to-end encryption in Messenger. Now if you're experiencing challenges in messaging your loved ones, then in the right video. So I'll walk you through different solutions, so make sure to follow along as I guide you step by step. And if you find value in this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and turn notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So that being said, let's begin. So the first step, you need to go ahead and open your Messenger application. Now after opening your Messenger application, tap on those three lines at the top left corner. Then tap on this settings icon at the right. Now scroll down. Now select privacy and safety. Tap on that. Now here under security, you select the second option, end-to-end encrypted chats. So tap on that. Now select security alerts and make sure you turn it off. Then go back. Then tap on logins. Now make sure you log out from device you're not using at the moment and log out. Now go back. Now go to restricted accounts and make sure you unrestrict any account that you restricted earlier. Then you go back. Now you go back to chats. Now you need to delete the chat that had end-to-end encryption. Now search for that person you want to chat with again. After doing that, you'll have successfully removed end-to-end encryption and fixed the problem. So that's how you can turn off end-to-end encryption in Messenger. So that is for me today. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next one.